smartwatch. Okay, so let's have the dimension. Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here two latest smartwatch from Huafit, the Huafit Watch S10. So this is the newest, and the Huafit Watch S8. I think this is the latest curved smartwatch from the company. On this video, we are going to compare the two wearables. We'll check its design. We'll check the design, the specs, the dimension, and its weight, as well as the UI. So if you are interested to see the difference between the two wearables, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. So let's begin. So before we proceed on the design of the smartwatches, let's check first the packaging. As you can see here, they have the same style for packaging. So we do have the name here, a preview of the smartwatch, and some details about the wearable on the front. On the side, we do have the features and specs, and at the back we have the connectivity as well as the rating for its water protection. We have the QR code also here. As you can see, we have the same website for the QR code. When you scan this, it will open a website where you can choose your smartwatch and download the appropriate app for your wearable. Simple, compact packaging from Huafit for Watch S8 and the Watch S10. And talking about the two smartwatches, so this is our Watch S10 with the sporty, minimalist, lightweight design, and we have here the Watch S8 with a trendy, fashionable, curved screen display with a wide and big body frame. Both do have a flexible silicone strap with a steel buckle. Okay, so for our Watch S10 we do have the steel buckle, but for our Watch S8 it is plastic. Okay, I stand corrected. So let's have a closer look at the design here. Both do have a unisex design, but as you can see here, the Watch S8 do have a curved screen with a fashionable design, while for our Watch S10 it is minimalist in look or in design with a single power on and off button, while for our Watch S8 we do have a rotary crown button. For simplicity, we have here the Watch S10. But as you can see here, there's a huge difference when it comes to the thickness. Very slim and light for our Watch S10 compared to the Watch S8 with a wide body frame and thick body frame also. The back both do have a PC material and the PC center frame also. Both do have a quick release pin for easy replacement of the strap. Again, let's have a closer look. So wide body frame for our Watch S8 compared to the Watch S10. So which do you think is better? Which do you prefer? A simple, minimalist design, sporty, or a trendy, curved screen and wide body frame for the Watch S8? Okay, so let's have the dimension just to see the difference here. For our Watch S10 we have 39. For the Watch S10 or S8 we have 40. Again, we have 39 here, and we have 40. Okay, then for the length here, 51 for the S8. For the S10, we only have 45. There's a huge difference when it comes to the length. For the thickness without the heart rate, 11.8. For our watch S10, very slim, we have 9.5 only. Very huge difference when it comes to the thickness. For the weight, let's check. For the watch S10, we only have 34.59. For the watch S8, again, 00. This is for the watch S8. We have 42. Huge difference when it comes to weight. 34, 42. I think that is around 7 grams when it comes to the weight difference. Before we proceed to the specs, okay, again, the two wearable is using a pogo pin, USB type A, magnetic charging. Then next, let's have the specs. So we have here some details. For the specifications, we have a 2.01 large screen display for our watch S8, while for the watch S10 it is a bit smaller with a 1.83-inch IPS LCD. 180mm waterproof for the watch S8. We have IP68 waterproof rating. For the Bluetooth connectivity, let's see, 5.3 for the watch S10, the same 5.3 for the watch S8. So which do you think is better? So the screen display for our watch S8 is a bit bigger compared to our watch S10, which is only 1.83-inch. I'm going to put the complete specifications here on both sides. Okay, next, let's have the UI. For the UI, settings and options. On the bottom part, we have notifications. On the left side, we have the split screen. On the right side, we have the widgets or the components. Okay, so that's it for our comparison of its design, dimension, weight, specs, and UI. On our second video, we are going to compare the offered features, the menus and features of both smartwatches.